In this video I will show you step by step how to fix message fail to send on iPhone. So this is a very simple thing to do. The first thing we need to do is head over to our settings, and then from here you want to scroll down and then select on mobile service. Once we click on this, what you need to do now is you want to go to the top right here, click on mobile data options, and then what we need to do is we need to click on voice and data, select this and make sure that you have selected 5G auto. So this is the first step. The second step that we need to do is if we go on back, you need to go down to where it says network selection, click on this, and then what you want to do is you want to select this on and toggle this on to automatic. If this not is on automatic, what we can do is that your network might drop out when you're trying to send messages, which will not allow you to send messages. In turn, it will go ahead and fail to send anything to anyone. So we want to make sure that this is toggled on, and then once this is toggled on, that will then simply fix our problem. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix message fail to send on iPhone.